To create gradient text in CapCut for PC, start by adding a default text layer to the timeline. Type your desired text and customize the font and style. Choosing your first color for the text. Duplicate this text layer and place the copy on the track above the original. Select the duplicated text and change its color to a different shade to create the gradient effect when combined. Select top text layers on the timeline, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. With the compound clip selected, go to Video Mask and click Add Mask. Choosing any mask shape you prefer, such as split or circle. Adjust mask size and position to control where the two colors blend. Increase the feather value to soften the edge between the two colors, creating the smooth gradient transition.